Good afternoon, Alex here. I'm just having a bit of fun with the CX-9, so I thought I'd share the goodness. And bloop. All right, so had a little bit of damage, but that's all right. So what we're doing is replacing the drive shaft and the lower control arm. They were no good, so we've got the new one there ready and waiting, and the new drive shaft. Now, to get this in, that's a female on that end, so I'll show you the old one. So it's a hole, and on the gearbox is a shaft, and we have to line it up to go in. But here's where the fun begins, because if we see right here, this is a locating pin. See how it's a different size to all the others? And there's one on the other side, which I can't get on camera, but that's all right. So this is the main part that was important to know. So I have to get this in one very specific spot on the gearbox side, and look how many potential chances I have to get it wrong. Super fun. And it was really hard with the suspension getting in the way, because that sits right here. So I had to actually resort to a little bit of bush mechanicking. I've got a ratchet strap pushing this all the way out of the way, just hanging onto the frame, because this was trying to sit right here and it was throwing off my angle and I couldn't figure it out. So yeah, a little bit of bush mechanicking worked, and it was just click click boom, nice, straight in place. So good fun. And now we're ready to continue the goodness with all the other new parts. And that's the lower control arm for the other side over there, left. All right, and yeah, that's it. Super fun.